We are presenting a unique case in which the ACL ligament has been avulsed from the tibia along with the lateral meniscus anterior root, and this looks like a locked bucket handle tear, but actually it is an ACL and lateral meniscus combined which has been dislocated. So what we need to do here is to fix both of the things, and we are using a double row technique here. So we are using a helicoil anchor here. The helicoil anchor is inserted, the first one, and we are using a double row knotless technique, and so we will be reducing the fragment of the ACL and as well as the lateral root on the medial side with an anchor. We will be passing two of the sutures by shuttling the threads through the ACL main stump. Once it is taken from the stump, the second knotless anchor, that is the helicoil knotless anchor, is inserted in the front, and it is used to reduce the anchor back into its position. So once the anchor is reduced into its position, the fragment is reduced, the ACL is reduced, and the meniscus anterior horn is also reduced. So all of these four suture limbs are impacted with a helicoil knotless anchor, and this will reduce both the structures into its position nicely. So we are fixing both ACL as well as the anterior root of lateral meniscus together with this beautiful technique. This is an innovative technique, but it is useful in those circumstances when there is a combined injury of the ACL and anterior root of lateral meniscus like this. Thanks a lot.